About this item: excellent writing and wiping. Magnetic surface is smooth and durable for writing. It can be dry wiped by all dryers. Markers. Comes with a full pen set, 3 dry erase markers, 1 whiteboard eraser and 6 magnets. No need to buying any extra set. Sturdy tripod stands and adjustable height. Constructed with steel tripod pipe and rubber feet, making it stable enough to stand firmly. Whether kids or adults, it's easy to adjust height and balance the easel. Just find the most comfortable height you like, whether seating or standing. Easy to carry and store. Our whiteboard tripod is lightweight enough to carry around and foldable. Design takes little space to store at anywhere. User friendly, equipped with Flipchart hooks for hanging pads, flip charts, papers, files, posters, calendars or other presentation materials. Also, dry erase markers or erasers can be placed on the pen tray neatly. No more mess for your floor. Suitable for many occasions like school teaching, student discussion, children home training, shop displaying or even outdoor activities. Service, reinforced shipping box to prevent shipping and handling damages. If you have any problem, please send the photos of damaged board and feel free to contact us anytime by email. We always try our best to giving you better experience. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: excellent writing and wiping. Magnetic surface is smooth and durable for writing. It